Machines are learning how to work, humans learning how to dream. When survival fades away, meaning rises in between. The clock begins to loosen, the pressure starts to fall, and something new awakens beyond the factory wall. After work era, we begin to create, now living just